The ongoing Iran-Israel-US war, the day the Middle East changed. The Middle East is on fire, again, but this time, the scale is unlike anything the region has seen in decades. But to understand why today's conflict is so explosive, we need to look back. In 1953, the United States and the United Kingdom orchestrated a covert operation, Operation Ajax, that overthrew Iran's democratically elected Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh after he nationalized the country's oil industry. The coup restored Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi to power and cemented deep Iranian distrust toward Western intervention. This moment became the origin point of modern US-Iran tensions, shaping the geopolitical fault line that still burns today. Fast forward to February 28, 2026. The United States and Israel launched coordinated strikes on Iran, targeting military and nuclear sites in what officials called a preemptive operation. Explosions rocked Tehran, and Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei was killed in the opening wave, triggering chaos, a leadership vacuum, and vows of fierce retaliation. Iran responded immediately. Missiles and drones struck Israeli cities and U.S. bases across Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. The war spilled rapidly across borders. More than a dozen countries have now been hit as the conflict widens. At sea, the situation is just as volatile. In the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil arteries, Iran ramped up naval operations. The U.S. destroyed 16 Iranian mine-laying vessels, warning that Tehran's actions threaten global shipping. Iran countered by declaring it would target any U.S. or Israeli ship entering the strait. The consequences are global. Oil prices have surged, shipping lanes are paralyzed, and analysts warn of a deepening energy war. Meanwhile, the human cost grows. Over 1,300 people have been killed in Iran, with strikes hitting homes, schools, and hospitals. Cities like Tehran and Beirut are enduring new bombardments. Some areas even reporting black rain from burning oil depots. With an untested Iranian leadership stepping into the vacuum, surrounded by secrecy and uncertainty, the stakes are rising fast. The U.S. president insists the war will continue until Iran accepts unconditional surrender. Iran warns of a grinding war of attrition that could reshape the global economy. This is no longer just a regional conflict. It's a geopolitical earthquake echoing across the world. And as the strikes intensify, alliances harden, and history repeats itself, one question looms. Are we watching a war that will end soon? Or the beginning of something much bigger? If you want more deep, clear, and balanced breakdowns of global issues, subscribe to History, Happenings, Hypothesis, where every story reveals a deeper truth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.